got a text. I'm popular. What is it? So I just sent an offer on something. I hope it sells. Kelly at Rebel Rose Co. She texted me. That's what I love about the reselling community. We have each other's phone numbers now. We're like really good friends. We can meet up eventually. Hopefully Posh Fest. Hope it's a person one year. But she said, do you want to do a listing challenge Monday through Friday next week? Okay. I'm not reading the rest of the text because it's private and we're best friends. Ah!
That we'll both do 30, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, today is day 3 of Vlogmas. I'm doing a Vlogmas reseller collab with my friend Matt. His username is Why So Thrifty. His channel is here. I will have all his information linked in the description box.
And if you do like reseller content, make sure to subscribe to both of our channels. We're both up and coming superstars on YouTube.
We are doing 5 days of Reseller Vlogmas, and we're just doing a reseller collab, and we would love it if you guys watched. If you liked, commented, subscribed, that helps us a ton. If you watched all the way through, we're both trying to get monetized and we just need watch hours.
We're doing this whole week. I don't know if you guys saw. I mean, you probably do if you see our stories. But we're doing a Vlogmas week collab together, me and Kelly. And today's video that we've been filming is the listing challenge. But yes, we're doing 30 items a day, everybody. I mean, not a day, just this one day.
He is super funny. His videos will have you laughing. He finds the most amazing designer items, so you should definitely check out his videos. Yeah, so today, honestly, is just gonna be a getting shit done day. So I'm super overwhelmed. I need a freaking shower. I need to do laundry, dishes, list, package sales, clean. I have so much stuff to do. So if you have stuff to do also, get it done while you watch this video. And yeah, let's be productive today. So I think I need to clean up a little bit around here, and then I can get to some reseller work. Okay, now I'm going to take a break and watch a couple of reseller YouTube videos. Right now I'm going to watch Via Glow's new video, Gloria. She's super nice. Her videos are very informative. And yeah, that's all her information, and she's the first video that I'm going to watch. Okay, now I'm going to watch our Bagnik. She has so many unboxing videos and they are great. Definitely check out her channel. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch a couple more videos and then I need to get back to work. I'm waiting for my phone to charge and I'm just scrolling on Instagram while I'm watching these videos. So I need to bring, oh, there's the laundry. I need to bring some bins that I had in here for cross-listing out, and I need to make a bag for the consignment store because I have a bunch of random stuff everywhere that needs to go into a bag for that. So I'm gonna grab a bag. Sorry, that was loud. I don't make a ton of money at consignment stores, but basically lately all I've been doing is if I end up with something that has like a little bit of flaws, or because I send most of my stuff into THRIFTY, but like with those mystery inventory boxes that I've been getting, or bags that I've been getting, whatever doesn't have a size tag is what I send in. Like this is just a random Brandy Melville top. It has no size tag. This is a cute gingham dress. It's like super cute actually, but it has no size or brand tags. I also just sent my first box into the Real and I need to send another one in. They took a little bit of the stuff. jacket. It's fucking cold. And then I need to clean up out here. Okay, so let's make the lighting a little better. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's lift this up. So, yeah, I'm literally a hot mess today, but this is my getting my shit together day. So, I have this random bin, and I'm just gonna put all my ThREDUp stuff in this bin to just get it put together until I can get a box to actually package it up in. So yeah, me packing this ThREDUp box once I get a cardboard box. That's gonna be my next YouTube, or not my next YouTube video, a YouTube video. Okay, this is my ThREDUp stuff, or some of it. Yeah, so I'll pack that once I get a box. And then this is all donations. So, yeah, we'll have a lot more space once we get all of that out. So if you guys need motivation to clean, watch Hoarders. It literally will make you get up off your ass and clean everything you own and declutter. Like here, let me show you. I don't think I can get a copyright for this because it's not music. I don't know how this works. What's up? Okay, so like look at this lady's house. Does this not make you just want to get up and clean?
I moved into my home almost 20 years ago. It's about 3,200 square feet. The way things are in here right now, I do not feel like I'm at home. I don't feel like I'm in a place.
While I'm watching this episode of Hoarders, I'm going to be on Instagram. I'm just going to be liking, commenting, engaging on people's posts. My last few posts have not done very well at all. Same with my YouTube videos. I don't know if it's the holidays or if, you know, I'm just not putting out content people want to see. But yeah, YouTube views are way, way, way down. The likes are down, the comments are down, the engagement on my Instagram is down. So I'm just gonna chalk it up to the holidays and hope that that changes. Okay, so now onto the listing challenge part of the video. This is all photographed. I have these things listed, like 5 more things downstairs, which I think this is almost 30 items. I need to list the things hanging up. I need to photograph that sweater. And then, yeah, if that isn't enough items, I have these items. A cute Free People top. This is the brand Drew. It's a new to me brand. It's Anthropology. This Poshmark theme shirt. Some cool pants, some tie-dye shorts. So, yeah, we will see if this is enough items. Oh, hi. Are you asking for attention? Hi. Honey, I have to take pictures on there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Mommy has to take pictures on there. Yeah, I know. Oh, you want to get into bed? Come on, you got it. Come on, up, up, up. Wow. Oh my God. And I need to try on these clothes because if they don't fit me, then I can sell them. Oh my God. You just did 100 spans. 100. Let's just get you wrapped up even better. Okay. Oh, I see you. I see you. Okay. Oh. Time to get a listing.
And if you do like reseller content, make sure to subscribe to both of our channels. We're both up and coming superstars on YouTube. But my channel is Why So Thrifty. The link is in my description.
And mine is Rebel Rose Co. in my description. Okay, I'm back to listing again. Yes, I am on the floor. I normally list, I have a table in my garage, But hold on, let me flip the camera around. Okay, so I normally have a table in my garage that I list at, but it's so cold and I always have to have the garage door open for light, so I'm just on my floor listing. I'm listing an Aloe Yoga tank, and then I have a Minnie Mouse dress and a LL Bean pink corduroy shacket, some really cute stuff, a Free People embroidered dress. So yeah, I'm going to get back to that. Okay, these are listed. We have a Doctor Who dress, a like pinup girl style swimsuit, a Minnie Mouse dress, a shacket, tons of cute stuff. Okay, so I just listed a Nike dress. I've never listed a Nike dress before, and it sold, or got an offer within like 10 minutes for $25, so I accepted it. But some of the things that I listed, I'm going to put the pictures here. These really cute pajamas by Jane and Blecker. I'd never found that brand before. It's not like a really expensive brand or anything, but the print is really cute. It's like girls shopping, flowers on bikes, just really cute stuff. This new to me brand called Shilla. It's called Shilla the Label. It's an Australian brand and it seems to do pretty well. A super cute top by the brand Leith. And Eliza J dress. It's like a really nice formal dress. It has like eyelet detailing and a drop waist. And then the brand Florit, I don't know how to say it, by Anthropologie. The satin and velvet tank top. It's so pretty. A Spiritual Gangster tank top and a Spiritual Gangster sweatshirt. I've been really slacking at listing, but I'm trying to get back into the rhythm of things. Sales have been really slow, but I think it's just because I've been trying to catch up on cross-listing and not just listing in general. So it's like I've been selling a ton of stuff and then I'm not replenishing. I'm just trying to cross-list some of my old listings. So, yeah.
That we'll both do 30, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I got 22 out of 30 listed, which is fine because I got a lot of other stuff done too. So that is the end of day 3 of Vlogmas for me and Matt's reseller collab. Both of our channels will be linked down below, along with videos 1 and 2 for both of us. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to both our channels and like and comment on both our videos, and we will see you next time.